Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're signed in and the app is updated. Now open your profile. Tap the public profile card to access settings. This is where links live. Once there, make sure the profile is enabled. Without enabling, link fields won't appear. If you don't see a public profile card, create one by following the prompts. Snapchat verifies public profiles differently than private ones. Start with the Public Profile tab, then continue to the Content or Edit sections to add external links and display choices. Once in Edit Profile, scroll to the website or link field and tap it. Paste the full URL, including https:// because Snapchat validates complete links. This avoids broken redirects. After pasting, press Save or Done, and then preview how it appears on your profile. Make sure to set visibility. Decide if the link shows publicly on your profile or only in specific tiles. If you're adding multiple links, use a landing page so visitors see options without cluttering your public profile. Finalize by opening your public profile and tapping the link to confirm it loads correctly. This step prevents dead links. If the link is blocked, check the URL format, ensure it uses HTTPS, and confirm the destination site isn't flagged for policy violations. Snapchat blocks certain content. Once confirmed, share your profile link. If problems persist, clear cache, try a different network, and contact Snapchat support with a screenshot and steps so they can review the rejection.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.